Have you ever frozen when someone asked, "Tell me about yourself"? Your mind goes blank, your heart beats faster, and you wish you could just disappear? You're not alone. It happens to almost everyone, even native speakers. But today, we'll change that.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you'll not only know what to say, you'll feel confident saying it, naturally, clearly, and with a smile.
Welcome to English Flow Podcast, the place where English becomes easy, natural, and fun. I'm your host, John, and joining me is my amazing co-host, Sarah.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again. Today's topic is something we all face, introducing ourselves in English.
Exactly. Whether it's your first class, a new job, or just meeting someone new, this one question can make or break your first impression. So let's master it together.
All right, John, let's start simple. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is John, and I'm from Canada. I work as an English teacher, and I love helping people improve their speaking skills.
That's great. I'm Sarah from the United States. I'm a psychology student, and I love learning about how people think and feel.
That's interesting. Psychology and English both teach us about communication.
Exactly. See? Even a short answer can sound natural if you just stay calm and smile.
Listeners, notice, we used simple sentences. My name is, I'm from, I work as. That's all you need to start your own introduction.
Yes, and you don't need big words, just confidence and clarity.
Okay, Sarah, how old are you?
I'm 26. You?
29, so I'm a little older.
Not by much. What about your family, John?
I have one sister. Her name is Lily, and she's a musician. She plays the guitar beautifully.
That's awesome. I have a brother named Ryan. He works in marketing.
Do you have a pet, John? Yes, I have a dog named Max, small, brown, and always happy.
Aw, I have a cat named Luna. She's quiet and lazy, but so cute.
Perfect balance, a dog person and a cat person.
Listeners, see how simple questions like, do you have a pet, make your conversation longer and friendlier.
Exactly. You don't just answer, you also ask back. That's how real conversations flow.
Let's quickly review what you can say when someone asks, tell me about yourself. Start with your name, country, job or studies, family, pets, hobbies, and likes or dislikes.
Yes. For example, my name is Anna. I'm from the US. I love painting and traveling. Short, clear, confident.
Well, that's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning with us here on English Flow Podcast.
Now it's your turn. Write your introduction in the comments. My name is, I'm from, I like.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode so more people can learn English with us.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep your English flowing.
See you next time, right here on English Flow Podcast. Bye, everyone.